Hello everyone, welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today I have an amazing recipe for you guys, and it is a breakfast recipe which you can even eat it as a light meal. And guys, it is the cheesy egg toast recipe which hardly takes 5 minutes to make, so you can make it in a jiffy and it is going to be absolutely delicious. So without any further delay, let's begin with our recipe. So guys, to make this delicious breakfast of cheesy egg toast recipe, let's take 2 eggs and break it into a bowl. And once we have both the eggs broken into the bowl, then let's beat it for at least 1 minute. Guys, the longer you beat the eggs, the softer your omelette or your scrambled eggs will be. So make sure to beat the eggs for at least a minute. And then we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of milk, and then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. Now guys, make sure that you finely chop them up, otherwise they'll remain raw. Followed by 2 tablespoons of finely chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum. Now you can add whatever capsicum you have in your house. If you have red, yellow, you can add that as well. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, which is dhania, half teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, half teaspoon of chili flakes, and then we are going to add salt as per our taste, and then we are going to mix everything in as well. Guys, again make sure that you mix everything at least for a minute. And once everything is nicely mixed in, then let's keep it aside and let's take a large pan and add half tablespoon of butter to it, and use this butter to grease the pan. Make sure that you grease the pan from all sides, and you can always replace the butter with some oil if you wish. And once the pan is nicely greased, let's pour in our egg mixture, and then make sure that the flame is on slow. And then we're going to take 2 slices of bread, one at a time, and dip it into this egg mixture. Make sure that it is nicely coated with the bottom side, and then flip it over. And we are simply going to repeat the same with the second slice of bread. And now let's cook the omelette for the next 2 minutes on a low flame, or until the time the omelette is nicely cooked from the bottom side. And once the omelette is cooked from the bottom, it's time for us to flip. Now guys, this is a large omelette, so it did break while flipping. Don't worry, it's going to taste the same as it is. We are supposed to fold it. So now that our omelette is flipped, it's time for us to start folding it. So here we go. I'm folding our omelette, and then we are going to add some sausage slices to our omelette. Now guys, this is totally optional. If you have some sausages, please do add it, or you can totally skip this step. And guys, you can always add some salami slices as well, because they taste delicious. And now that we have our sausages lined up cutely on our toast, then it's time for us to add the slice of cheese. You can always add 2 slices of cheese, nobody's stopping you, and flip over the bread slice on top of it. And now we are simply going to cook both the slices of the bread till the time they are nice and crisp and nice and golden brown in color from both sides. So now guys, as you can see, I'm pressing down on our sandwich. So please do the same, and do keep flipping our sandwich over time and again, so as to make sure that they get evenly cooked. And guys, our sandwich is ready. So now it's time for us to take it out in a plate. And here we go. It's time for us to make a cut. So let's take a nice sharp knife and cut it from the center. And I'm telling you, this sandwich is going to be delicious. You will want to eat this sandwich on daily basis. Look at our sandwich, guys. Wow, the cheese is nicely melted, and look at the layers, the omelette, the sausages. Wow. Do make this sandwich for your breakfast tomorrow itself. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. Do share this recipe link with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Do it today. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.